Will all BTC and ETH holders transfer to other altcoins? With the news regarding Bitcoin dominance continuing to wane recently, will Bitcoin holders move their BTCs to Ethereum and from there to choose altcoins? As Bitcoin rose, as traders waited for further Fed support after the U.S. jobs shortfall, altcoins continued to outperform. This and more here in our channel. So, welcome to Crypto Live. Get the latest update about these digital currencies last May 12th. And don't forget to like this video and click that subscribe button down there. However, last May 7th, 2021, bad news became good news for risky assets, from stocks to Bitcoin. Economic activity in April of 2021 was estimated to have added 266,000 new jobs, but it fell short of predictions of 1 million gains. As a result of the weak jobs report, Bitcoin, BTC, was higher by only around 1% in the last 24 hours from May 11th until 10:42 UTC or 6:42 a.m. Eastern Time of May 12th, suggesting continued easy money policy at the Federal Reserve. While safe havens such as Treasury bonds sold off, the S&P 500 and NASDAQ also finished that day in the green. The shortage of jobs in April suggests that the economic recovery is fragile, which means the Federal Reserve's easy money policy may continue to spark global risk assets to rally. In his remarks, Fed Chair Jerome Powell has discussed the transitory nature of rising inflation, which will determine the U.S. central bank's tightening policy, including employment market conditions. According to Matt Greenspan, founder of Quantum Economics, in his daily newsletter, it is apparent that Bitcoin is causing an undeniable reaction, and even gold and silver hit new highs. With the rise of altcoins and speculation, funds are causing Bitcoins to go out of the running, and altcoins lead the way as a result of this speculation. There was a lot of talk about people putting money straight into Bitcoin, but Greenspan adds that this time around it will be Dogecoin. And here are the data which were all reported just last Wednesday, May 12th, based on CoinDesk reports. Bitcoin, BTC, traded around 56,573.56 cents as of 10:42 UTC or 6:42 a.m. ET, gaining around 0.8% over the previous 24 hours, according to CoinDesk. On the other hand, Ether, ETH, had its consistent rise as it traded around 4,132 as of 10:42 UTC or 4 p.m. ET, gaining around 8% over the previous 24 hours according to CoinDesk. The price of Bitcoin rose above $57,000 shortly after the release of the U.S. jobs report. However, last May 12th, this digital currency plunged below when it traded at approximately $56,573.56. It has also been predicted that further momentum will be needed to push Bitcoin's value past $60,000, and technical charts even suggested this will happen last May 7th. In the end, it didn't pass the $60,000 mark when the value reached just $56,583.85 on that day, and $56,573.86 on May 12th. While Bitcoin continues to consolidate, traders are now focusing their attention on altcoins. The dominance of Bitcoin continues to wane, as its dominance ratio has dropped below 50%, which indicates an altcoin season is underway. This ratio compares the total market cap of Bitcoin against the market cap of the entire cryptocurrency market. In fact, Bitcoin dominance is currently at the lowest level since July 2018. Historically, Bitcoin reaches its peak, then drops precipitously, making way for an alt season, wrote Adam Morris, co-founder of Crypto Head, an e-learning website on blockchain technology via email. It is coins such as Bitcoin that are first to fall 95% in times of market crashes, which is exactly what happened in 2018 when the market crashed. Morris stated, referring to the popularity around Dogecoin, which is now the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap. On the other hand, it's likely that Ethereum will keep rising, and if history repeats itself, we'll probably see an all-time high towards the end of the year, Morris wrote in a tweet. Everyone wants to know where we are at in my path to alt season chart. We're in the phase 2 to 3 overlap. Large caps are starting to move. Phase 2 has heated up, and we're seeing early signs of Phase 3. Phase 3 is incoming. On the other side of the coin, nearly $1 billion was traded on Ether futures. Moreover, last Wednesday, May 12th, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ether, hit a high of more than $4,132 in volume. And over the past 7 days from May 5th, ETH has gained more compared to BTCs. This means that futures traders showed an increased interest in hedging or speculating on price movements, resulting in higher volume in the futures market. The implied volatility spread for 1 month. ETH, BTC. In the options, market predicts higher volatility in ETH than it does in BTC. On the CoinDesk 20 digital assets were mostly higher last Wednesday, May 12th. Here are the notable winners as of 10:42 UTC or 6:42 AM ET. They were Aave plus 28.63% and Uniswap or UNI plus 14.74%. For equities, as a result of a weaker than expected employment report, the U.S. S&P 500 index rose 0.7%. Though some U.S. economists argued the report might just reflect employers' difficulty finding workers at the going wage level. And for the commodities, West Texas Intermediate crude rose 0.59% to $66.47 a barrel, while gold futures rose 0.42% to $1,843.91 an ounce. And for the bonds, the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond yield climbed 1 basis point, or 0.01 percentage point, to 1.64%. So would you like to know whether you should invest in Bitcoin or Ether? Well, stay tuned in this video and let us know your thoughts by commenting below. And don't forget to like this video. On the other hand, Dogecoin declined since Elon Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live from a closed trading price of 63.64 cents last May 8th and around 47 cents last May 12th, which was minus $4.71% in the past 24 hours. The billionaire jokingly referred to Dogecoin as a hustle. In the Weekend Update segment, Musk, who said he's the first person with Asperger's to host the show, was asked repeatedly what Dogecoin is. After reciting multiple facts about the cryptocurrency in the character of a financial expert, he was asked if Dogecoin was a hustle. He responded, "Yeah, it's a hustle." With a net worth of $183.9 billion, Musk, at 49, is the world's second richest person, according to Bloomberg's Billionaires Index. After posting a picture of himself and a Shiba Inu on the set of the iconic NBC show on Twitter, he helped take the coin to new heights last Friday and Saturday, May 7th and 8th respectively. Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that started as a joke in 2013, has surged more than 20,000% in the past year, 2020, according to CoinGecko. Musk has been among its biggest boosters, along with Mark Cuban, Snoop Dogg, and Gene Simmons, and watch parties for the SNL episodes were held around the world by Dogecoin traders. An earlier reference to Dogecoin came in the opening monologue where his mother, May Musk, joined him on stage, where the author and model said she was excited about her Mother's Day gift, which was last week, May 9th, and she hoped it's not Dogecoin, to which Musk said, "It is." In the character of the financial expert, Musk also called the Dogecoin the future of currency. It's an unstoppable financial vehicle that's going to take over the world. The largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, declined more than 1% to about $58,000 as the show progressed. In February 2021, Tesla Inc. announced its purchase of $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and the CEO of the electric car giant has expressed favorable feelings toward the digital currency. Musk also tweeted last Thursday, May 6th, that crypto has great promise, but investors must proceed with caution, referring to a video of him discussing the merits of crypto, Dogecoin in particular. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has been tweeting about Bitcoin and Dogecoin almost constantly in the first quarter of 2021, nearly all of them favorable. Despite the fact that cryptocurrency investment is exceptionally risky and not just a trendsetter, Bitcoin and Ethereum has become the de facto standard for cryptocurrencies, inspiring a legion of followers and spin-offs. However, Bitcoin isn't backed by a government or major asset, so its value depends on the willingness of others to use and trade the currency. The value of Bitcoin has reached new heights, hitting $20,000 in December of 2020, $40,000 in January 2021, $50,000 in February 2021, and traded around $56,573 globally last May 12, 2021. Thus, Bitcoin investors need only invest what they can afford to lose. A number of investors believe that these other currencies will follow Bitcoin's success and offer massive returns even if they missed the Bitcoin bandwagon. It's possible, but it's unlikely. Like in the stock market, other currencies are likely to follow the trend made by the biggest leaders. For example, if Google, Apple, or Amazon go up or down, other technology stocks tend to follow. The same is true for the cryptocurrency markets. But what makes Bitcoin different from other crypto? Bitcoin is easier to access, with more exchanges, merchants, software, and hardware that support it. With far more volume than any altcoin, Bitcoin is far more liquid, and there are more applications and implementations within Bitcoin's developer ecosystem than those of any other altcoin. Those who are aware of the risks may prefer $1,000 in the bank to Bitcoin, so whatever you do, never invest more than you can afford to lose, because investment in cryptocurrency is risky, and you don't know how the market will perform tomorrow. We hope this video has provided you with some timely and relevant insights. For that, we thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to watch our previous videos as well. Keep in touch with us and be notified of news concerning digital currencies by subscribing to our channel.